And welcome to Mr. Morgan Presents Chapter 5, Part 3. Hi, I'm Mr. Morgan. You might remember me from such films as Part 1 and Part 2. Okay, other financial considerations. So this is 5C in the textbook. Foreign currency. How can we spend money overseas when their money is different? So $1 Australian dollar, which is shown here, basically to find out how much an Australian dollar is worth, we look at the conversion tables, which they often appear in the news because they change. Like you often see one Australian dollar is buying something US dollars or whatever it is. So basically on page 69 there is a table of it, which I have it on the next slide, so we'll have a quick look at that. So yeah, you got $1 Australian dollar will buy, and it tells you how much in each of the different types. You've got Britain right down to USA, but we will be using that to answer our questions from the textbook, because they're not overly accurate because they change all the time. So, to work it out, foreign money, so how much it buys is the amount the Australian dollar is, how many Australian dollars you've got, times by the amount one of them buys. So that you shouldn't be there, but it is there at the moment. Okay, moving on. Let's look at our example. So, let me just move my little screen so I'm in the middle of it. Okay. With $1 Australian dollar being equal to 54.9071 Indian rupees, how many rupees can be bought for 250 Australian dollars? So what we're going to do is we're going to go 250 times that by 54.9071, which is our conversion, and that equals 13,726 rupees. It's pretty simple stuff, you just times it together. Okay, now to go back to Australian dollars, that should be a capital A there. How many Australian dollars can be bought with 2,500 rupees? So, using our knowledge of formulas, we're going to rearrange it, so we're going to end up going the amount of rupees divided by the conversion rate for $1 Australian dollar, and then that will give us our answer. So 2,500 divided by 54.9071, and that should equal $45.53, and that's Australian dollars. And that is rounded to 2 decimal places. The answer before was rounded to the nearest whole number. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this insightful. Join us next time for Part 4, Investing Wisely. Ciao.